Hi, Dr. Tony here, and I want to introduce you to our gardening journey. And it is February 7th, 2021, Super Bowl Sunday, and it just stopped snowing. We got close to 35, 36 inches this week. We had a big storm, and today we got an additional six inches or so. So this is where the garden's going to go. So I just want to take you on a journey of what this is going to look like. We have our seeds ordered. I bought all the pots and potting soil for the seeds so we can start growing them. So the next video will probably be, me doing that and tackling that job. I'm by no means an expert in gardening. I've gardened my whole life just for our personal use. But I ordered a lot of seeds this year, a lot of heirlooms from Rare Seed Company, and I'm excited to get them and excited to share my little journey with you, and we'll see what happens. So we're going to start some composting piles and a garden, maybe some raised beds. We'll see how far we get with that. Going to try some vertical gardening. I've been watching a lot of YouTubers and what they're doing all over the United States. We're in zone 6B here, so we got a little ways to go before we can get planting into the ground. But first we gotta make the soil happen. So underneath the snow is a black tarp that I covered to expand the size of my garden this year. I'm gonna probably have to till that, although I don't want to. I'm gonna try to do as less digging as possible to disturb that soil, but I also have to create a healthy environment for my plants. So I'm gonna have to work on that and learn as I go. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed. We'll keep sending videos out here as I do them. Like I said, it'll be a little while yet, but I'm excited to go. So all happy gardening to everyone, and we'll see you in the spring.